Easy. Some land, man. I love it. Hey, how's it going? Whereabouts you heading to? I'm just trying to get out to the Trans-Canada. Does that go past it? Close? All right, perfect. I love it. Thank you. Before I hop in, so I make a video about hitchhiking, like a live video documentary. So I have a camera with me. I don't have to point it at you, but I have the camera on me. Is that something you're okay with? All right, cool. Got one. And just like yes. You're going one exit? I'll take one exit. I got a few extra celebrate music. Oh yeah! Oh. Hey, where you guys heading to? Before I hop in, so I make a live video documentary about hitchhiking. I have a camera. I don't have to point it at you.
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Not at all?
No.
Okay. All right. Thank you for stopping. Have a great day. Oh, no. No. Fair enough. Whoop. That's a ride. I've got so much crap right now. So just bag next to me and then we're good to go?
Yeah, I don't have a long room.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Hey, is there any stop, like truck stops and gas stations at the next exit? Oh, there is? Yeah. Like, skirt! Trying to get to Amarillo right now. Trying to go to Albuquerque. Oh. Yeah? Oh, that was so... No. Hey man, where are you heading to?
I'm headed to El Centro.
El Centro is exactly where I'm heading. Sweet. I'm gonna have to come back for the water. Oh, that's real hot. I think he was thinking. Oh. Oh, this guy rode by before and came back for me, I think. Remember the vehicle. Hey, thanks for stopping.
Hey, you right over downtown or something?
Downtown is exactly where I'm heading to. Sweet. I make a live video documentary about hitchhiking, so I have a camera on my hand. Is that okay to have in the car?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Bag in the back seat? Yeah, okay. All right, man. Cool. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Appreciate meeting
awesome.
You, man. Cool stories.
All right, I'll grab my bag and I'll be out of here. But I got your card. Here's my card.
Awesome.
All my information's on there.
Cool.
Thank you for making this happen.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Thanks. Yeah.